Office of the Court Administrator versus Judge Necesario et al. OCA formed a judicial audit team which investigated on irregularities in the solemnization of marriages in Cebu. It recommended the dismissal of several judges and court employees, generally for gross neglect of duty. Hence the issue whether or not the judges and the court employees have violated the canons of judicial ethics and the code of conduct for court personnel. Yes, such irregularities in the solemnization of marriage, such as erasures and superimpositions on marriage license, is tantamount to gross negligence. Hence, many were dismissed.